look into those bright eyes. So young and always so ready to run. Then I see a change when fun subsides and new colors start to arise. There's a hidden picture that wasn't seen outside. When you run, don't tire. Keep on reaching higher. Even when the pain and trouble bring you down. Sometimes I will see you through. I'm forever right here with you. Even when you feel you don't need me around, I will be your friend forever. I will be your one big brother. Even when I see you fall, I will be your father. When I hear you call. Don't cry, this is not the end nor goodbye, but begin to know I'm with you till the end. And when you pray, I will hear every word you say. Answer with all my promises made. For one like you, someone who's been specially made. When you run, don't tire. Keep on reaching higher. Even if the pain.
Kaya naman sa kanya pong panunungkulan dito ho sa ating probinsya, kung mapapansin po natin at mapapag-aaralan, ay ganun-ganun din po ang ating mahal na governor. He never leaves any stone unturned.
Tayong lahat, lalong-lalo na po kaming kanyang mga anak, ay kumukuha ng inspirasyon sa aming nakita sa aming ama. At marami pa siyang buhay na iaangat mula po sa kahirapan, nang sa ganon ay maging masagana, matiwasay, masaya at masigla tayong lahat sa lalawigan ng Bataan.
Sa lahat po ng aking pinuntahan, lagi po merong lalapit po sa akin, babati po sa akin, yayakap po sa akin, upang magpasalamat sa tulong na kanilang natanggap mula kay GovTET. At ang nais po nilang maiparating ko kay Governor Tet ay ito. Ang mga programa po ni GovTET ay mga programang napakalaki ng impact sa buhay ng ating mga kalalawigan.
You don't need me around. I will be your friend forever. I will be your one big brother. Even when I see you fall, I will be your father.
Pangako ko sa inyo, hindi ko ho kayo bibiguin. Maraming salamat po.
Your friend, your brother. When I hear you